Spelling of the word picture. Picture as spelled as like this: P I C. Picture, T-U-R-E. Picture. Okay, T-U-R-E, then P-I-C. P-I-C. Picture. It has, look at the number of syllables it has. It has two syllables: pick and char. Pick and char. Okay, let me help your memory. Look, picture rhymes with picture, T-U-R-E, and mixture. Picture, mixture, mixture. Both have the T-U-R-E ending, right? Let me help you more. Break the word picture like PIC, pic plus TURE. Pic, PIC, short for picture, and tar like nature, TURE, or future. Pic plus tar like nature or future. Mixture, picture. I hope these things have helped your memory to memorize the spelling of the word picture. Picture, picture.